I dared to create another Deepika Padukone look. This is inspired by her look in the film Padmavat. I keep saying it wrong. I just totally love the simplicity of the hair and makeup, but the jewels, it's all about the jewels in this tutorial and film. So to create this Mughle look, I went and bought jewels from Jaipur on my recent trip to India, and I've paired it with this very simple makeup. So starting with orange corrector in all the dark areas of my face, my upper lip, my chin and sides of my mouth, under my eyes and above my brows. The reason I do above my brows is because I have a little bit eyebrow hair and that's a little bit thick there, so it looks a little dark. The orange just helps to correct that. And then over the corrector I'll put a very heavy concealer. It's quite a thick camouflage concealer, and I'll apply that and spread that through to cover up the orange areas only. Not forgetting under that gorgeous Bola Mantika, that's the brow area, and then finishing off with a coating of my Inglot foundation of the moment. This has got a beautiful oil base on it, which leaves my skin really, really hydrated. It wore this all the way throughout my holiday trip in India, and stayed put and stayed hydrating my face for all day and all night. So powdering that with a little Illamasqua face powder. I noticed that Deepika has a unibrow in most of the pictures. It's not a full unibrow. There seems to be a shadow of something. It might not even be a unibrow. It might be a mark that is part, like you do, for example, a bindi or a religious bindi. I just don't know, but I see a general shadow that looks like a unibrow in most of the footage and pictures that I've seen. So I done a little shadow of a brow there, and then I'll go back and do a bit more, make that a little bit darker. Alrighty then, putting on a little bit of Mineralise skin finish onto the cheeks to give it a little wash of colour. And this is what happens when you don't make a tutorial for ages. You put on mascara and forget completely about eyeliner. Yeah, Nisha, we get the mascara. It's amazing. It's a really, really beautiful mascara, actually, and one that I wear every day. So this is the liner that I'm going with, MAC Feline Kohl Power Pencil. I like to use pencil when I'm not sure of the shape I want to create. So I'm applying that, and then I will smudge that out with a beautiful soft blending brush, top and bottom. Now I ended up making the flick too long on this look, and so I've gone in and recorrected that by making it a bit more blunt at the end and a bit more sort of more of a sort of, I called it something earlier and I've forgotten, but you can see here that I've gone way over with my wing there. I will sort of blunt that out later. What I've done is gone in then, once I'm happy with my shape, with a felt liner pen, an eyeliner felt liner pen, and then cleaned it out with concealer around the side. Just a hint of a fleshier pink, so what I'm doing is just pinking up my lips a little bit, just giving it a little stain as a base colour, and then we'll apply a skin colour right on top of that to make it just look a little bit less sort of washed out and a bit more sort of just a little wash of colour on those lips without it being overly obvious, sort of more like a rose petal flush, if you know what I mean. And that's the blunted eyeliner look that I was going for. A little red bindi to finish off. I will then just put on all of my jewels and parade around the room, twirling and twisting and hip shaking and all that sort of stuff while I do my nuclear on film. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do rate, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next video very, very soon. And please, 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 please do subscribe because what? Because, I don't know, I just need you to subscribe to me. If you like this style of jewellery, then please do check out my website for more designs on sale.